So now I'm going to unboxing this Oppo A74 5G. So in Italy we say this Oppo A74 5G. So now I'm going to speak in Italian, not Italian. I'm going to speak in English. So you see here. So I brought this in Italian Rome. So this is the serial number or something is here. It's Oppo A74 5G. Is a box. So now I'm unboxing. I already cut it there. This is the scotch. So this is the back side of 74. So now let's start. We'll open together. So here we go. This is Oppo 74. When you open the box, you get this white paper. This one, and this is the mobile Oppo 74. There we go. All right. This is Oppo 74. So now here you go, you can see this one. First have a look at the mobile phone. This one is the Oppo 74. Have a look. So this is Oppo 74. This is the silver color is here. And now we'll see what is surprise inside the box. Let's check. So inside this box we'll get one this one for the open the SIM. Okay, this is some regular papers for guarantee on how need to use the mobile phone or something else. You can see it's there. So there's a big paper. There's too many languages: English, Italian, French, German, Spanish and Russian, and too many languages. So we don't need this one. This is the same thing as Oppo. I think we don't need this. And they always keep the one, what we can say, this one on the white cover for your phone. So it will be free complimentary. And now what else? So now I'm going to open. So this is the charger, the cable, and this is the head. So this is the new version. This is the new one. Okay, you can see. Okay, this is the big one. Now there is some peanut small. This is the big one. So you're keeping here. Okay, and now they give you this one new earphone. This is the earphone. Now too many companies they don't give the earphone, but the Oppo still they are giving the earphone. So UK cable made in China. So it is here. So I got this one, and now today I am going to unboxing for you. So now you can see this the mobile phone is here. This Oppo, this Oppo 74. That's the new mobile phone, and this everything is here. I'm going to pack again. So now we are making inside everything. Oppo 74, and this is the card. See, I forget to show you another thing. This mobile phone is here. In the left side there's a press here, and this is for the volume. On the left side for the volume, this is for the down, this is the up, and here will be SIM. This is a SIM. You can put the SIM here, and this is the normal one, the press unlock. So this mobile phone is Oppo. So it will be 5G. Its range is 5000, and the battery is here. Where is this? This is Oppo A74 5G. So the battery will be 5000 mAh super battery, 5G, and this will be 18 watt this charger, 6 megabyte the RAM, and 128 GB. The camera will be on the back side here. It will be 48 megapixel, and the front will be this one 16. So this camera for the 16 megapixel from the front camera for the selfie, nice selfie or something, and this one will be here 48. So you can see there, you see this 48 camera, the 4 camera here, and the flash here. So you can use this mobile. If you buy this mobile, I think it will be nice for you. And I now will show you this key. from this on the pin for the double SIM, and if you want you can add, let's go, this is here, the first SIM, second SIM, and this is for the memory card XD phone. So you can use either one SIM, two SIM, three SIM, whatever you want, you can do this. So now I'm going to back again this mobile to put there. So I need to fix this one. I brought today to show you for the new A74. There's in the market too many mobile phones now, Samsung, Oppo, Redmi, Realme, the wiki too many. So I think this Oppo is one of the best. You can use the Oppo. Oppo is a nice phone. So everything is here. I'm going to pack this phone. So this is the back. Okay, here we go. This is the Oppo. This is the old stuff here. What we saw. This is, and this is the cover. So everything is there. Okay, here we go. So everything I put inside, I put this box here, and now I put the mobile phone is there. This cover here, and this is here. Oppo 74 is boxed. So with this Oppo this